Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2018 Ford Ranger XLT dual cab ute, stock reference number 5393. The shape runs from the 6-month 2015 through to the 6-month 2018. It has a P5AT for 5-cylinder 3.2 litre turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual 4-drive transmission. P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. With the left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. Manual type center console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, sat nav unit, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, instrument cluster, and second row seats and second row headrests.